Furoshiki, meaning bath spread, began in Japanese bathhouses centuries ago to bundle belongings. But over time, these square cloths evolved into tools of beauty and function, used to wrap, carry, and present everything from lunch to luxury goods. Today, furoshiki are part of the global movement towards reusable, meaningful packaging. At Keiko Furoshiki, we design prints that honor Japanese aesthetics with a modern, joyful twist, making every gift more memorable and more sustainable. Wondering what kinds of gifts are ideal for furoshiki? Furoshiki is perfect for books, boxes and jars, bottles of wine or specialty oils, accessories, fabric goods, or handmade items. And who loves them? Eco-conscious clients, people who appreciate artisan goods, gift givers who want something more meaningful than throwaway paper. When you wrap with furoshiki, you're giving two gifts, the item inside and the wrap itself. Once a gift is unwrapped, the furoshiki can be reused again as gift wrapping, to make an evening bag, as a wearable fashion accessory, or as a home decor itself. That's just a sampling. On our YouTube channel, you'll find tutorials, seasonal wrapping ideas, styling tips, and cultural context. And on our blog, we dive deeper into occasions and holiday gifting, how to care for your wraps, and furoshiki's roots in Japanese culture.